Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will learn how to use the replace function in Python world. So in the Python world, the replace function is commonly used to clean and transform data by replacing old values with the new values. So if we are using the pandas, we can use data frame dot replace. In the screen you can see here. So we have a massive data where inactive, active, and with a question mark we have a cells. We have this kind of data, and in the right, after the replace, we have used the replacement function in the pandas. Then you can see in the right side it is means all the data is clean and we can like read very carefully. So all some space we have removed here, and also we can replace the anything whatever you want to replace. You can replace function, you can use the replace function and to clean the data and replace the data. Okay, let's begin. Let's go to the practical lab and then I will show you how to implement this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will learn how to replace the data from with any other data. Like suppose if we have a HR department, if we have a column of department and we need to replace with the HR to market, then how we can do that. And in the same way, if we need to replace null instead of zero, then how we can do that. Okay, so let's start. Um, so first of all we have to import, use the import here, import pandas library hpd. Okay, and then because pandas is used for to handle the data. Okay, and then we will import some data where data equal to, let's see, data equal to, and then okay, location, and then I am just updating df.data frame data. Okay, and also just I'm going here to add a salary. Add salary. Okay, and now what I will do, I will replace Paris with America. Okay, yeah, any other city. Okay, now I'm going here. So we have stored the data, this data into the df. Okay, so now what I will do, location, location where we have a new location here, location replace with New York with location, but we have to replace here Paris, Paris with America, America, or we can replace update here anything else. Okay, and then just print df, and I'm going to run here. Okay, it takes 7 second, 0.7 second, and here you go. You can see name, location, salary, and location where it was Paris, Paris. In the second for Anna, you can see here we have replaced here. But if you want to see the old data, then you can use here print, print df. Okay, and then you can also just make some space between both the print. Okay, and now I'm going to print here for both. You can see the first data we have name John, Anna, Peter, where location was New York, Paris, Berlin, and London. We did the changes in the location. Okay, and then name we have here name John, Anna, Peter, Linda, and Anna location changed to America. Okay, so we know that, like we got to know that how we can use the replace with the single column. What if we have a condition where salary is less than 80,000, their location should be America. Okay, so how we can do that? So I'm just creating a mark here and create a create a condition, just updating a highlight condition to replace salary less than 80,000. The condition replace the salary less than replace the department department where salary is less than 80,000. Okay, so we will create here and just going to remove this one because we are not going to change here. Now we have a different condition. What is that? We have to change the based on change the department based on the salary. Okay, now what we have to do? So we have to do here df dot loc, and then we have stored here df. Okay, df salary is less than, and then um here location will be America. Okay, and then now we will print df. Let's see what are the output we are getting. Just going to run here. It's done. So you can see here, this is the old scores and this is the new scores. So say salary less than 80,000 is the Paris. No, less than 80,000 means the zone is, location has been changed. If we are updating here equal, then let's run. So you can see that it's also running on the condition as well. So this is how we can select and change the replace the values whatever we want. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.